Alright guys, let's take a look at the completely assembled bumper. Both grills on it. What's up guys, DIY Salvage Guy here, and on this channel, we just learn as we go. Today's episode, we're going to be assembling the 2011 Ford Mustang GT with all the painted parts and making sure that this looks good. A dream here is to be able to give these builds to you guys, so please make sure you guys share, comment, subscribe. Also, make sure you guys are turning on your post notifications. That way you guys can be the first ones to check out the build. And make sure that you guys are following me on all the socials at DIY Salvage Guy. Check me out on the merch line down below as well. Support the channel, help you grow, so these cars can become yours. Alright, got the car outside. We are going to start by getting the tail lights assembled, and then we'll switch to getting the valance on the bumper, and then getting the bumper on the car itself. Alright, now we're going to get the valance on the bumper and get the bumper on the car. Alright guys, so in keeping the all black theme, we have some side markers for the rear bumper. What we're going to be using is this VHT nightshades. It's funny because I had this when I was a teenager back in the early mid 2000s, and I used it on my Mustang back then to black out the taillights. And I thought it came out pretty good. So what we're going to do is we're just going to spray this up, nice light coat on there just to make it black. And so we're going to clean it up, then we'll hit it with the spray. Number 2. Alright, while those are drying up, our bumper is done and ready to be put on once we have those lights. So what we're going to do is shift gears. Beautiful car. Awesome car. First car. And hiding behind the bush so that no one can see it. Big ass truck. But right now, we're gonna shift gears. We're gonna get these headlights back in. We're gonna get the front all figured out as well. Alright, we got the headlights on, we got the front impact bar replaced. We did some damage to it. We did the pulling. We got the bumper absorber on there as well. We got the hood latch back on, so everything up front is good except for the bumper. So we're going to head into the shop, into the garage, and get this rear bumper good. Front bumper. Actually, first thing, First thing we're going to do is actually do the rear. We have our tail lights looking good, so we're going to install these real quick. All right, rear bumper is fully assembled. Let's see if we can get this on the car, guys. All right, guys, here we go. Rear is fully assembled. Look at that. It looks awesome. Close the trunk together here. First look, the black bumper. Oh boy, looks amazing. Looks absolutely amazing. Wish the paint came out a little better, but that's okay. We will color correct it and hopefully we'll be good. But it looks so good right now. It closes, it lines up perfectly. The rear end looks amazing. All right, guys, and continuing on with the all blacked out theme. We have the front side markers as well. Looking pretty good. So I think we're actually missing a plug for the light bulbs themselves. So we're gonna have to get that, but it shouldn't stop us. For now, we're gonna plug these up. Hole's a little bit too small, so we gotta drill it out slightly. Alright, drilled out both sides and made the holes a little bit bigger. So now these should put the one in, drill out the other side, so that should be good too. Alright, so those are good. Let's figure out these grills. let's take a look at the completely assembled bumper with both grills on it. Oh, she's a little heavy, but I think it looks pretty good, guys. I like the double fog light action. So now what I need to do is wire it up so that I can actually use both. Car's coming along pretty nicely. It's gonna look pretty good, all said and done, just not with the paint that we have. My dream is to be able to give these cars away to you guys, so please make sure that you guys are subscribing down below, like, comment, share this with your friends, turn on those post notifications, follow me on all the socials at DIY Salvage Guy. Check out the merch line, help support the channel, and just be inspired by this, guys. Just try to do something on your own, DIY it, pick up a wrench, buy a car, do whatever you need to do. Just try to become a DIY Salvage Guy yourself.